This whole shit is all out of service. We're trying to wash the 5.0 on my brother-in-law, Carlos. Carlos, say what's up.
What's up?
And let's see if this whole works. Nah, this bitch is out of service too, dog. Alright, got my brother-in-law driving.
The window a little down so you can hear it.
Oh, follow that fucker. Get him.
That's a nice truck.
Yeah, I know. That's it, bro. Fuck. Can't get him.
Shit, we'll stop him at the store.
Yeah. Ask him. Get on him. How much? I'm trying to take a picture. Oh yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah.
That's the hey bro, that's the list.
That's a nice truck, bro.
Hey, follow him, bro. Follow him. A la casa, bro. Follow his house, bro. Get it. Let's follow him right now, bro. Alright, so I'm gonna get a picture right here.
That's a number.
Yeah, bro, that's it.
That's a nice truck. It looks like it's good. 832.
Get home, bro.
Him and his wife.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
That house sound good too.
It does. You know he took care of that fucking truck. Following his old man home, trying to get info on this truck.
I don't see he wants no less than 3K for that.
Yeah, it's cheap. We probably get it for cheap, bro. Oh, you look right here, dog. Just followed this dude to his house. I'm about to see what much he wants. Andrés. Ya, ¿eso es todo que puede ser? ¿6,000?
Luego le bajé 7. Ahí.
Pues,
Va a venir una señora a verla al rato.
okay. How much you want, Carlos?
65
Motherfucker wants 6,500, bro.
for a V6.
For a V6, bro. Fuck that. You can find a V8 for that price. So nah, it's a good truck. It had little things wrong with it, but it was a really good truck. But he wanted too much for it. So on our way to a car wash, because the other one we went to fucking didn't work. Like none of the fucking machines worked. So oh, look at that one. That one. It ate it?
No, it didn't even take.
Damn, that's the hood, bro.
That's how you.
They locked that bitch.
Oh look, yeah.
It works. Bro.
At least they need the dollar.
Yeah.
Shit.
That's funny, dog.
Secured it.
You know this shit's been broken into.
We got 20 seconds.
That's that. See the front.
$1.75 to wash it.
That soap was on there good.
I think it was like a conditioner soap or something like that.
There's Blanca. What's up, girl? Yeah. Yeah. She's probably like, why you calling me, bro? Alright, on our way to go look at a Dodge Ramskis. Oh shit, right there. Yeah. This Dodge Ram was nice. Would have been a good project truck, but he catfished us on the Facebook Marketplace ad. and we just walked away from this one as well.
Rollers que necesitas meterle.
Tienes que meter.
Está. Looks like a 6. Yeah. It's safe. It's safe. The Vortex Max on there. No 6-cylinder. You want to test drive it? It's a nice truck. 6. Oh, that's cluster. Oh yeah. Hey bro, this dude's cool, bro. He's letting us test drive his shit. Hey, you locked the Ford?
Yeah.
You think it's right here? Trash can boys. It sounds pretty good.
It's just I think the tires are rubbing.
Yeah. This dude let us drive his Chevy, bro.
Throwing the lid down so you can hear it.
Yeah. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's manual. Everything we've been looking at today has been manual. Oh, I can't turn it.
V6s, bro.
I
That's
can't
fine
turn
like that.
it.
That's fine like that.
This motherfucker got some weird speakers. V6s, bro. It sounds loud though. It got a little sound like it got a little something, but it's just a V6. Sale a la verga que I don't even know. Oh shit. Got him now. Let's go look at the light. At the gas station. Although the truck was really clean and nice, we couldn't agree on a price. The guy was really cool, and we got his number for the next time.
He drives that whole fast though.
Oh, fuck yeah, he does.
We're just gonna have to go for one of those. Bro.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go find one of those.
See this, test it out.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
That shit's clean, bro. Bro, every truck needs that. Capital of Mexico, Edgebrook, eating some tacos.
Trying to find cuz.
Trying to find some cuz, Apache hunts. Some 956. We've been looking for some people to race, and we came to where normally everybody meets up with the trucks, but we haven't found nobody tonight. Like, we're having a bad luck night. But we're about to eat, chill for a little bit, and then go hunt whoever. Camaro, Corvette,
At this point.
Hellcat, whatever we can find.
Point.
Boy's truck looks clean. Bad. That bitch looks bad, bro. Oh, he's got the Denali cluster. The rims are sick. So we just met up with those guys at the gas station. We did have to pump, and we found out of a fucking meetup, a truck meetup. It was just a car and truck meetup, right?
Yeah, I think Park and Chill.
Yeah, Park and Chill. We're gonna go check it out.
11 minutes away.
11 minutes away,
Yeah.
just talking to somebody. Now we're about to have some fun.
Oh,
Oh, he's going, bro, he's going! Ah,
this may be a The 6'4"?
Yeah, because it's put like tape on the bitch, like this thing. So we found a meetup. A lot of fucking people out here, bro. Just all badass donut. It's loud as fuck, but people are finally turning up a little bit. We got burnouts, badass trucks. Met up with another guy. His 5.0 looks badass. So we're kind of just chilling with him right now. But we're waiting for it to get a little bit more rowdy. We gotta keep our eyes out though for the cops. Guys, we're back in the garage. Okay, that car meet was awesome. It started getting crazier and crazier, but my camera died. So we're back home. I got my tools out, got some parts laid out. Went and bought some more parts right here. Sneak peek for later. I will be showing you guys everything on the next episode. So please hit subscribe, like, leave a comment on this one. Let me know what you think. If you like this type of action vlog, I loved it. It was awesome. Need to do more car meets. I'm gonna keep my eye on car meets from this day forward. Car meets at night are just different in general compared to like coffees and cars in the day. You got coffees and cars, we're fine, which I love because I love coffee and I love chill. I love looking at foreigns, Europeans, love Japanese cars, which I'm keeping my eye out for one as well. But something about night car meets are just crazy. So let me know what y'all think. Gonna be dropping some more info and more videos on the installs and moving of these parts I got laid out here. That'll be the next episode. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.